Are you tired of juggling duplicate tickets and losing context? Learn to merge any two Zendesk tickets in under 2 minutes. We'll start by opening the ticket you want to merge. Then, I'll walk you through the merge steps and confirmation. All right, start by navigating to your Zendesk homepage. Then, on the left sidebar, click on Tickets to pull up your ticket list. Go ahead and open the ticket you want to merge. Next, click the 3 dots icon on that ticket to reveal more actions. From the menu, choose Merge into another ticket. Now, enter the ticket ID you want to merge into, or pick one from the list below to make choosing easier. Once you've selected a destination, click Continue Merge. Finally, click Confirm and Merge to complete the merge. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.